In this video, I'll show you how to get or set up YouTube on your Hisense Roku TV so you can start watching all your favorite content easily. YouTube is one of the most popular streaming platforms, and having it on your Roku TV gives you access to videos, music, live streams, and your subscriptions directly on the big screen. First, make sure your Roku TV is powered on and that you're on the home menu. Using your Roku remote, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see the option that says Search. Click on it to open the search bar and then start typing in YouTube. As you type, you'll notice that YouTube appears in the Channels area. Highlight it and press OK on your remote to select it. Now, if YouTube is already installed on your Roku TV, it will take you directly to the app. But if it's not installed yet, you'll see an option that says Add Channel. Highlight that and press OK. The TV will begin downloading and installing the YouTube application. This process usually takes just a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, a message will appear confirming that the channel has been added to the end of your home screen. After adding YouTube, you might want to move it to a more convenient location on your home screen. Highlight the YouTube app, press the star button on your Roku remote, and then select Move Channel. You can now place it anywhere you want, such as closer to the top of your list for quicker access. Press OK on the remote to drop it in the desired location. Once the app is in place, press OK on the YouTube icon to open it. For the best experience, it's highly recommended to sign into your Google account or the account you use for YouTube. This will allow you to access your subscriptions, playlists, and personalized recommendations. To sign in, select the Sign In option on the YouTube app. Enter the email address associated with your account and press OK. Then enter your password and press OK again. If you have two-step verification enabled on your account, follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification, which may involve confirming a code sent to your phone or another verification method. Once completed, you will be logged in and taken to the YouTube homepage on your Roku TV. With your account signed in, the YouTube homepage will show a personalized feed, including your subscriptions, watch history, and recommendations based on your interests. You can navigate through different sections of the app using the menu on the left-hand side to find trending videos, categories, or search for specific content. If you want to access YouTube safely and protect your online activity while streaming, using a VPN is a good option. NordVPN is a fast and reliable VPN that works on Roku TVs and many other devices. It helps keep your connection secure, encrypts your data, and includes features like threat protection to block harmful websites and a kill switch that protects your IP if the VPN connection drops. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and enjoy safer, unrestricted streaming.